Reservation Bill. It has been a hot burning topic since 1996 when it was first tabled in Lok Sabha. लेकिन अब नए पार्लियामेंट के वेरी फर्स्ट सेशन में इसे फिर से टेबल किया गया है on 19 September 2023 and this bill has been presented by Minister of Law and Justice Arjun Meghwal. This bill is also known as Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. 5 key highlights of this bill are: first, 33% or 1/3 of the total seats in Lok Sabha and state legislature or in the Delhi State Assembly would be reserved for women. Second, even if the bill is passed, it would be implemented only after the first census, that is the deliberation that would happen after 2026. So this bill will not be implemented in the upcoming 2024 election. Third, through this bill, there is no reservation for women in Rajya Sabha or the state legislative assembly. Fourth, reservation will be placed only for 15 years after the bill becomes an act, but it can also extend in future. Fifth, 1/3 seats reserved for SCs and STs would be reserved for women. That is, 28 out of 84 seats would be reserved for SCs women. 16 out of 47 seats would be reserved for XT women. But this bill does not mention any reservation for OBC.